Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Footy Kismat. In today's episode, we'll be looking at Game Week 1 results and the lessons learned. We are being joined today by a special guest who is also a rare find. Joining us today, all the way from the US of A. He's a gem of a person, but that's not what makes him rare. He's rarer than the most precious of metals. He is a Manchester City fan. Everyone, please welcome Amol Bhatia.
Hey Sandy,
Hey, hi Amol. How are you? What's going on,
I'm good. How
bro?
are you? Well,
I'm
all
good, good.
good. Premier League is back.
Yes, Premier League is back. Life's okay.
How's the feeling?
Feeling is mixed. Let's see. अभी तक तो अपना Manchester United and City are yet to start, so looking forward to
Yeah.
it.
Did you
Hopefully,
enjoy the game week one?
yes. It was,
Okay.
after the break, it was exciting. So let's see. So today we can
Okay.
start with the game week 1 fixtures or the results.
Okay. But
Okay.
first, before that, tell me that are you going to support City this year also, just like you did last year against Liverpool?
Yeah, against Liverpool, always City, bro. Did I tell
So
you
for
it's
the last
because of
whole
you?
season,
It's
you were
because
praying
of
for City to
you.
win, right?
Only
Yeah.
against
You're
Liverpool, okay?
in disguise City fan. The last whole season you supported us, right?
No.
Yes.
No way. That's not true. My
Okay,
blood is
we'll
red.
see another season. Okay,
Okay, so what
good,
stood
good.
out from game week 1 for you? Apart from
Uh,
Liverpool again relying on VAR,
First
Liverpool.
there was a deja vu, VAR, you know, because there was no gap in the between two seasons.
Mhm.
So there was no gap between VAR and Liverpool. Also, they are continuing from where they stopped.
Yes.
So yeah, but the good thing is I kept Salah in my team,
Okay.
and
Oh,
uh, he gave me a lot of points. Baki VAR, so we can't do much. Let's see.
yeah. I think the
Hmm.
contract accept. I think that's the best signing Liverpool has made, right? That's why they didn't go for any signing.
Yeah, but the surprise was Leeds. How they
Uh-huh.
started their season, how they, you know, announced their, what do you say, that they're back.
Yes.
Amazing performance. All the players look so fast and strong. They were pressing a lot. They were not afraid even after first, second, third, fourth goal. They were attacking every chance they got, and you know,
Yes.
I was really
Definitely.
wishing Liverpool lose that one because Leeds deserved that win
Mhm.
or a draw at
Yeah.
least.
Yeah, that was the game of the week, right? And Leeds, maybe they will be fun, I think. It will be
Yeah.
fun to watch their matches.
So, how's the transfer window?
Transfer window is open, I guess, but we are not signing anyone. Maybe it's closed for
You
United.
have already done one transfer, big one.
Yeah. It's a good signing, Donny van der Beek. Let's hope. Uh, the
No,
midfield
I
is.
meant the other one. You transferred Harry Maguire from Greece to England.
Don't go there. Innocent till proven guilty,
Yeah,
right?
that's the best signing ever.
Yeah. Let's go to Arsenal. I think they had a good result. And
Champions
yeah, you know
2020.
what? They are actually. They are
Yeah.
on the top with the best goal difference, the best defense. I don't know what
Yeah.
else is remaining for them for this season. And
Yeah,
our
that we can
Arsenal.
stop the Premier League right now. The fans are asking for it, you know. They're
Yeah.
saying because of COVID, we should stop the league. And
Mhm.
so, yeah, I think it's their title to lose now.
Yes,
Can we say that?
definitely. Yeah, you remember, right? Our friends, Arsenal supporting friends, are writing a petition just to stop the season now.
Yeah, right. Let's see what happens. What do you think about Arsenal, anyways? Like, honestly, with
Honestly
Arteta?
speaking, yeah, I think Arteta is doing a good job. Let's see how it
Uh,
pans out. Signings, Willian didn't look like a great signing, but it might just. So Pepe, I feel they won't be paying the rest of the amount. It was an installment, right? They'll ask the bank to follow them.
yeah.
They'll
Can they
ask.
still return him?
They want to return him without paying anything.
Yeah. I also heard a joke about Pepe. Like, roses are red, violets are blue. Ozil is teaching Pepe Fortnite. Arteta have no clue.
Yeah, Ozil, oh, I forgot about him. He's, I
Oh
think,
yeah,
honorary player now. I don't think if he needs to come to the field. It's just in the squad.
yeah. I think one day Arsenal will have that Arsene Wenger statue, and
Mhm.
below that there will be statue of Ozil playing Fortnite.
Fortnite. Yeah, that's the only thing remaining. Right.
Yeah, but yeah, they have started good, and
Yes.
hopefully they will do better
Yeah.
uh, in comparison to last season. Good evening.
Hmm. Yeah, Emery. I think a lot of positives are there. Even the fight that they had on training, they turned it around in a positive way.
Yeah, everything is positive for them.
Yeah,
They were
everything is
building a team for
positive.
last 10, 15 years. Now it's built,
Yes.
hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
What about
Good.
Chelsea? Did you see the match yesterday?
Actually, yes. Chelsea, I saw the match because I was really excited about the new players they had.
Mhm.
And yeah, they did good. Why did Pulisic did not play?
I think he's just coming back from injuries available, but from what I heard, I did have him in my FPL team, and that hurt a lot. I heard Lampard that he's available, but I think he's available
Hmm.
for having lunch or dinner. I don't think he's available for playing.
Yeah, let's see. But yeah, Chelsea, I do not think
But
they will do anything this season. Yeah.
yeah, I think it will take some time. But I saw their gameplay, and I think Lampard is a big fan of Ole because I only saw counter-attacking football. They were relying on
Oh, yeah.
space. Maybe,
And
yeah, it's maybe he's
yeah,
just a fan, or maybe they're just gelling it. I think it's the first one. Let's see.
you know what is the difference between Chelsea and a cup of tea?
Nope. Tell me.
Okay. A tea stays longer in a cup. So I think the same thing will happen with them this year also.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see. Abramovich have given a lot of money. Okay.
Mhm. He's
And
like,
Chelsea players are like those fine wines, you know. You keep them in the cellar, they are very costly, you hardly use them.
yeah.
So,
No pressure will
so
be on Lampard this one, right? This season. It will be,
yeah.
he has to perform. Like, I think top two, they have to challenge actually. Top four won't do right now. They have to challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but I think he is playing long term and he is building a team for next 2 years, maybe
True, true.
2 or 3 years, keeping that in mind. And the top six, what we were missing in last couple of season was the all the top six were actually challenging each other. It was only Liverpool and City who were playing each other, and that anybody can do anything. That was missing. It was very
Yeah.
clear that nobody else. There was no third team, but this time maybe it can be. But the only difference in the top six, it will not be Tottenham. It will be Everton.
Yeah. I was going
Yeah.
to say, I don't think Tottenham doing that, but I guess Arsenal, United, Chelsea, they will be giving a tough
Yes.
fight, at least in the initial part. Let's see how it
What
over.
about United?
United, I said, right, they will be, and at least for the first part. But then, if injuries or something happens, then hopefully Sancho's score goals and assists,
Sancho's.
Sancho's goals
Where
and
is
assists
Sancho?
for Dortmund will count here. Will count here. He is almost signed with us. Right? The money is the
Almost.
problem. So money will pay him
Okay.
later. We'll just count the goals now.
My Yoda fell down laughing. You're sounding like Arsenal now. Money is
My
the
tears
problem.
are of
United have no
happiness.
problem. By the way, I have a gift for you. Wait. There are a lot of kits getting launched, and I know you spend a lot of money. So I wanted to save your money in the Corona time. This is a bed sheet. You can make three,
Jerseys.
three. jerseys out of this and share with your friends
Yeah,
also.
yeah, I know. You can just put a United logo and that's it.
Yeah, just like this is
But
shit.
there's a
And
scientific approach, right? I didn't believe that Adidas has the same designers who build Arsenal jerseys building the United jerseys. So there has to be some
array,
scientific explanation. It could be like against the backdrop, people will lose the players or something. Camouflage. That is the only explanation.
yeah. If players do not like zebras, they will run away.
Let's see.
That
Wolves
one, I'm
actually,
sorry.
Wolves had a good game yesterday. It was very one-sided, not expected. So without the
Yes.
European,
Actually, I did not take a single Wolves player because they have a very tough fixtures. If you
Mhm.
can see, they are playing all the big teams. They have a lot of 4 and 5 in FPLs,
Yeah, yeah,
and that's why I did not do take them. And I was also thinking that uh, a couple of their players are transferred to other teams,
yes,
right? So I was not sure who is going to start, and obviously they might not be do good, but they started very well actually, and
yeah,
they have not lost their momentum or pace. So
yeah.
it
But
will be
actually,
good, but
they
still
don't.
I will keep them out for next coming for 3-4 weeks.
Yeah, I don't think they have too many tough fixtures. Next one is easy, right? City, they beat them home and away last year. So yeah, I
Yeah,
think I have got that wrong.
show
Okay.
me your team and show me you got 3 Wolves player, then I will agree with
No,
you.
I'm not talking about fantasy football. Yeah. It's a bad start for me. We'll leave that for another video. Talking about Everton, so James Rodriguez did pass the eye test. I felt he was playing really well. I think it's a
I
very
love
good.
him. He's a
Yeah,
great player.
yeah, yeah. We have a great stat here. That's like he's created some 5 chances. That's the most by a player in the Premier League debut since Alexis Sanchez. I don't know who he is. I don't know. Haven't
Oh,
heard
okay.
about him. Seems familiar.
So
Must
why is
have
that?
been a
Can you
great
tell me
player.
that why Alexis Sanchez do not have enough chances lately? Would you like to elaborate on that more?
But I don't know who he is. I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I have a hint. I think it's familiar name. Maybe I just wiped it out from my memory, like most United fans.
Okay, I will give you a break on that. Yeah, but I think there was another stat like if you compare with like more active players like Ozil, who were actually playing in the Premier League lately, or who were available in the Premier League, uh, he is a person who can be evaluated on the equal caliber as Ozil, but this one actually will deliver.
And from James Rodriguez, let's go to Jose Mourinho. So there's a new
Yay,
stat.
my favorite.
He has been defeated on the opening match day of a league campaign for the first time in his managerial career. So there's always a first. I think he might have some more firsts like this. As a United fan, I am very aware of these firsts because up till like Sir Alex Ferguson, we never used to get those statistics. But after that, once Moyes started, this is the first time Burnley is defeating United in Old Trafford. First time in the Premiership. Crystal Palace does it. Which I think there's been a lot of firsts in the last 4 5 years.
Don't Sandy, do not remember everything by yourself. Leave it to us to bring back your memories, tell us what happened, and
No, no, you
ask
should
you how you feel about
remember
it.
the tough
But yeah,
times.
okay. So will you bet on Jose Mourinho to survive this season with the same club?
I think I will bet actually because I have seen some changes in his behavior. Obviously, the results and the post-match analysis haven't, but I thought there were some changes, and Tottenham actually needs a little bit of stability. Maybe it's mid-table or wherever it is, but I don't know where they will go from here. They selected him, now they have to live by it. There's a pros and cons, right? You don't think so, right?
No, no way. There are two things. One is Jose Mourinho have not changed. It's just that it's a start of the season. You will feel he's changed for a couple of games and then he will come back to the same thing. And second, he does not have a good enough team to do what he needs. I think he had the same problem he had with United. He was not able to update the team as fast as possible, and he need two or three good, quick players in the team, and he needs to take out a couple of overrated players from the team, and that might not happen this season. And when he will lose, he will blame somebody, and the things will go wrong, and he will be out by, I will say, January or February.
Okay,
Let's see.
okay. Let's see.
You don't record this part, okay? If I'm wrong, I will deny I said that.
I will record with this part also. All right. So let's
So
move
I
to,
have a question for you, Jose Mourinho question.
yeah.
What will Jose Mourinho do after he will lift up the Premier League trophy?
He will run with it because he must have stolen it.
No, he will turn off the PlayStation.
Okay.
You actually believe that he will be there, right?
Right. Let's move to your
Yeah.
FPL team now. You had a very good week, first game week.
Oh, not a good week. I had a relatively good week against you guys, but otherwise, I just had a normal week.
Oh
By
no,
the way,
that's
I
a
was last in the league last year, okay? So, this is my
oh,
team,
67
which is
points.
winning hearts around the world. People are, calling me, texting me that tell us how did you do it and how did you get 67? And yeah, I'm here. So you know the my team name lost because VAR. This is for the last season.
Yeah.
So actually, I did not give enough thought. I will say I did not give as much thought as you gave. I did not create any charts or blackboards
Mhm.
or graphs or anything. I just chose some players by instinct. Like I was going to keep TA for Liverpool. Robertson or TA was a must because they will keep giving points every game.
Yeah.
Then Soyuncu also. So I wanted to keep two good uh, strikers who will continuously play in each and every game, and they will deliver one way or another.
Okay.
Then I had Nathan Ake. I don't know how much Pep will play him from the starting, but he's a good buy for 5.5, and if he plays 70% of the game, he will still be worth the money.
Yes.
And it solidifies City's defense. So I am hoping they will not lose as much as they did last year. Hopefully. Uh, Next, Aubameyang. Aubameyang, I just took because I wanted to take Kevin De Bruyne, and he was not playing this week. They are doing a lot of holding the ball, which they will not be able to do it against the big teams, the top six teams, and
Mhm.
they will not have as good scoring there. So if I'll have more money, I will think about Aubameyang. Otherwise, I'm going with Sterling on Kevin De Bruyne here.
Okay.
Inks had a very good last season, and I wanted to believe him in again. Werner is the why is he yellow now?
I think he had a
Oh, he's
small injury because
dead
of the
leg.
penalty. Yeah.
Yeah, he ran so much. He has a dead leg.
Yeah. He was running
Every
a lot
time,
over there.
yeah. मतलब वो डिफेंडर से मिडफील्ड को बॉल मिली वो अपना रेस भाग कचरा भाग रहा था.
वो भाग रहा था पीछे वालों को देखा नहीं कि कौन है.
हाँ.
I think he thought Ziyech and Pulisic are playing.
So, what's your take? Are you going to copy my team?
No, it's a decent team. As actually Leicester City defenders, I didn't expect okay, West Brom away was easy, but on the long run, they had some injuries. But it looks like they will continue from last year. They have a mixed bag of fixtures. Let's see.
Right.
Actually, like I started with very few. I didn't spend too much on the defenders apart from Trent Alexander-Arnold, but I think a lot of defenders gave a huge number of points in the game week
Do you
one.
want to show the world your team and how you lost terribly this week? I can do that for
Yeah, Pulisic in the middle is the culprit. If you see, like, I didn't rely, as in, went for a couple of punts with Mane especially, which I
you.
am regretting very badly. But otherwise, if you see, like, the points are distributed decently. Defense, as I said, like, I made a mistake. I haven't spent enough on the defense. But
Yes.
if four or five players are getting attacking riddle, I think that's okay enough. Like, I am not too
I think
sad
your
about.
these two buys are very good. Dominic
Yeah,
and Vardy. I do not trust Vardy will be like giving you goals every week,
yeah, yeah.
but because there are a lot of other players also there who
Yes.
can.
It's
But
costly also.
this is
It's
a
more of like first few weeks only. I think maybe I'll remove him for Martial or Werner soon. All right, perfect. Thanks for joining
okay.
and had a great
Thanks,
time. And let's talk again.
and
All right.
yeah, and
Peace.
keep track of our footy kismat.
Yes, Footy Kismat.
Bye. So, hi everyone. Please subscribe, like, and share our video and subscribe the channel Footy Kismat. We are trying to do something new, and hopefully, we will bring a lot of experts and a lot of banter and
Yeah.
fun for you guys. And let's hope this season is not disrupted like last season, and we enjoy our football whole year. So,
Yes.
enjoy and take care. Bye, guys.